Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a 2025 Toyota 4Runner and we've installed the Pro Series dual 11.5-inch kit. I want to show you exactly how much light they put out. So these are the factory low beams, these are the factory high beams, and this is two 11.5-inch light bars. Take a look how much distance you get to cover in comparison to the high beams. It's two 11.5-inch light bars in a spot configuration in the bottom bumper. Take a look at the fence in the back as well as the tree in front of you. With the factory low beams, it's not visible at all. With the factory high beams, it illuminates it a little bit, but with two 11.5-inch light bars, everything becomes brighter. You guys are gonna absolutely love this product. So this is the Pro light setup, which has larger reflector housing, so it allows to shoot light a lot further in the distance. These are the factory low beams. This is the factory high beam, and this is two 11.5-inch light bars. Thank you guys for watching. I know you guys are gonna love the product, and please check out our step-by-step installation instruction. And please join us for our step-by-step installation instructions.